Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time for me to update you with the May edition of the Rolling Pan Mini Madness collab that I am doing with the wonderful ladies at the PANtastic Ladies Facebook group. Down below in that description box, I'm going to leave a link for you so that if you want to join the PANtastic Ladies, you can. Also, I'm going to leave another link that will link everybody who is participating in this collab so that you can watch their videos and see how their panning project has come along. So this project is tons and tons of fun. It is a rolling pan project. You pick 10 items, and as you use one up, then you get to roll a new one in. These are all going to be mini items, deluxe size, sample size. Without further ado, let's get into this so you can see the progress I have made this month. So I'm going to start off with what we still have going strong. Well, maybe not strong, but still going on for the project. First is our Tarte Color Splash lipstick, and this one is in the shade Set Sail. And again, I never marked this from the very beginning, but I tell you what, we've got a nub. We are down to a nub. Next up, Holy Grail status, and I finally got to mark it right here, this little mark. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Original Primer. This is my ride or die of primers. I use it all the time. Next up is the Kula. This is the Organic Makeup Setting Spray, and I have made some progress. We're down here on a new little line. Next up, the Caudalie Vine Active Eye Cream. We all down to here. We are just about done. I probably only have maybe about 10 more uses out of this, so this will probably be definitely gone in June, but we still do have it. Next, my two eyeliners, the Lancome Drama Intense eyeliner, and then we also have the Sephora Gel Waterproof 12-Hour Contour Eyes Pencil. This one is in Love Affair. This one is in Noir Intense. I have sharpened both of these a couple of times. Next up, and this is kind of hard to mark, I put my mark here, but I think I might be a little bit further down because this bottle is like super opaque, so I'm kind of like looking from the inside and trying to judge and mark, so might be a little off up or a little off down. Anyway, this is the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel. Did you notice somebody is missing? Now we're gonna get to what I finished this month. I didn't think it was gonna happen. I was pretty sure there was some kind of witchcraftery going on with this product. The Benefit Gimme Brow, it's done. I went to go use it one day, I went to go pull it out, and it's just, I don't know if it just finally got old or what, but it's so dry. So, unbelievably, I got through the unholy Gimme Brow, finally finished it, so yay. This one's kind of disappointing because I just added it last month and went through it pretty gosh darn quick. There was not as much of this in there as I thought there was going to be. This is the Philosophy Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. This was a meh moisturizer for me, honestly. I didn't really, it was okay, but it wasn't anything like big to write home about, and it smells like Pledge. Like, if you like the scent of lemons, I love the scent of lemons, but you know how Lemon Pledge smells like Lemon Pledge. It doesn't really smell like lemons, kind of has that lemony scent, but it smells like Pledge. This is what this smelled like. So it was okay, but I was happy to be able to try it, and it is done. The Hourglass Seamless Finish Foundation Vanishing Stick. There might be some more in here I can dig out, but I kind of stuck it down in there, and there's not enough for a whole use. I mean, I could have probably used it for like little spot areas with other foundations, but to be perfectly honest, I was not impressed with this foundation. Kind of. It gave pretty good coverage, but I felt like this one just, it felt greasy going on, and it kind of felt like it stayed greasy and would get greasy throughout the day, and I by no means have oily skin. If anything, my skin can be dry. There's not a patch of oil on it anywhere if I don't put it on there myself. You know what I mean? But I felt like this one was just kind of greasy feeling, and it kind of would get oily on me, like especially in my T-zone and stuff. And I'm like, I don't have oily skin, so wasn't exactly, I don't understand the hype over this one per se, but I did get to finish it and I did use it. So since I finished 3 products, that means I get to roll in 3 more. So this month I am being cruel to myself again, and I'm adding another foundation because it is now summertime. this foundation will work for me. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This one is in the shade Y415. Next up, the Glam Glow Super Cleanse, and this is a creaming to foaming cleanser. Kind of really curious about this and how this works, so we're going to throw that one into the mix. And the last thing we get to throw in, this is the Josie Maran. This is the Surreal Skin Argan Finishing Balm. And so that is it. That is my update, my May update. So that would be update number 5 on my Mini Madness Rolling Project Pan with the wonderful PANtastic ladies of Facebook. Once again, don't forget to open up that description box down below. Check out the PANtastic Ladies Facebook page, as well as all of the other ladies that are doing the panning project. And make sure to check out Aura's channel because she was the creator of this wonderful little project. Once again, I of course want to thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, make sure before you leave that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.